Yep. What the fuck was that? I can't hear shit.
It won't let me do shit.
How high does it go?
It lets me go to 4, but it's slow.
Like, I'm sitting right by the exhaust and I hear the engine over the exhaust. I guess this is the beginning of the video, so if you guys haven't seen already, I got the new exhaust put on my truck, and probably not even a week later, Tyler got an exhaust for his. So I think he got the MBRP exhaust. You can see right there. We'll let this thing cool down a little bit and then we'll start taking off the old exhaust. If I break it off, it's okay. Because I don't have to cut it off. Yeah, it's loose as hell.
Yep, there it goes.
Okay, let's see if... Let me get a screwdriver. Yeah.
There it goes.
I think there's a gasket that goes in here though that you might actually need. It's not going at all.
No, it ain't.
Am I getting it?
It's going.
Oh, there we go. Okay, hell yeah. That's a trick right there.
Is it out?
Yeah, well, there we go. It's out. All right, damn. That was almost as bad as taking the exhaust off mine. But got it out all in one piece.
Oh, we're gonna get that.
Here, pull it out this way. This little clamp here was rusted, and so you can find a piece of it. So this bolt was completely rusted, and we just broke the head off of it. I think we can probably reuse this clamp here. As long as we can disconnect it, we can find a new bolt to go through that. First pipe laid out here. Doesn't have the same curvature as the other one, but I guess it comes with this extra. It doesn't have this clamp, but it comes with this one. We'll figure out where that goes. And then next up is this. If you have the crew cab, you throw this little extension on, but we don't need that for this truck. And we can wrap this resonator. So this will be a mufflerless system here. You can see. Turn around the other way. Same deal. That will go right here. Next up.
Good Lord.
See, the one thing I wanted to see was the piping here. It's hard to, I mean.
Well, hold up to the.
Yeah, this is definitely a little bigger here.
Hold up to the exhaust.
This might be a 2.75. Yeah, see, this is a 2.75 inch, and this is a 3 inch. So it's a little bit bigger. So I guess it's a 1/4 inch bigger in diameter. So it will be. That mainly just makes it deeper. If anything, with the G35, we went from a 2 1/4 to a 3 inch exhaust, and it's loud as shit. That also affects volume too.
Yeah, it's all good information. Basically, ladies, what he's saying is we got Ross here, and then we got a good old Tyler, you know what I mean.
This will go right here. That lines up with that. Now we got the final piece. It's all slip fit, and then it has the clamps. And boom, tip.
This is all we're really going for, honestly. It's just the tip. We don't really care about the rest of
I
it.
think it's probably like a 4 inch tip.
Let me see. Yeah, it's 4 inches.
Bam, bam, bam. All right, and you just tighten that down, and that will go somewhere right here. Because look at this, see how the other clamp's there? So this will go something like that, I believe. We'll clamp that down fully whenever we put the hanger on.
That looks like...
There we go. Now we need to find a bolt. These are all BMW bolts.
Shame.
That all Chevys aspire to be.
It's a real shame to put a piece of junk.
All those. Actually, no. That
piece of gold.
It's Audi bolts.
Oh, so it's a super piece of junk.
Here's Nissan.
Oh, okay. Now we're getting better. I like how you have them all separated based on fucking brand.
Not the ideal way to do this, but see this. Yeah, perfect. We'll just tighten those down. I think they're 10s. All right.
Loud sound difference.
So yeah, we need to look at this other exhaust here. So put these back up together. So this is just a flex pipe. It does nothing for sound. We did already notice that this was the 3-inch diameter in total, and then this was a 2.75. So this is a 1/4 inch bigger in diameter. Then you got this huge ass muffler here. And we don't know really what's going on, but you can see that the inlet where it's coming in, the exhaust is on the right here, and then it exits out somewhere in the middle. And what is this? Is this I don't know what this is. Oh, this is some kind of actuator deal. Look at that. There's a flap in here that it's closed right now and it opens. Is that why you're thinking? Wait a second. I don't really know what's going on in here. But anyways, this muffler looks like it's doing a lot here. And we're just going to this resonator, as you guys saw, that just straight through. And then it goes to this resonator, which is probably doing a little bit. It's hard to say. And we have no secondary resonator here. So we're basically going from having a big ass muffler to a little resonator to having a big resonator. And we're upping the piping by a 1/4 inch. So it should be, I'd say, at least twice as loud.
My cats, how much you want them for?
Oh, $10.
$10? Seems reasonable.
We're gonna install it this way.
So we don't have the same issue we had earlier.
Okay. All right, I'll just take that out for now. Clamp. Bam. Oh wait, that just slides them. Okay. We'll put this in.
If we die, Ross, this is the last thing people ever see us doing.
How big do you think that is? 14?
I think that's a big nut.
Okay, we'll leave it at that so we can kind of slide it. Well, we can't really do it, but... Alright, we'll just leave it there. Toss this guy in first, and then we'll put this in. Okay, good. That one's just straight.
Alright.
Let's try to get it in.
What are we hitting?
Oh, it just needs some finagling.
Oh.
Alright, cool.
Damn.
You can move it down. That's not supposed to be up. Yeah, move it all the way down. Got her in.
Close to it. There we go.
Alright. Now we got a fucking... Oh, there we go. That's easy. Alright. Now we'll go back down to my rigged up exhaust clamp. Yeah, I need to get these clamps for my truck. Tyler, we're almost done.
I know, we're almost there.
I want to hear this thing.
I do too. I don't think it's going to be nearly as loud
Solid.
as your truck.
Yeah, it's not going to be as loud, but
It's going to be
if you
different.
remove that secondary cat, then yeah, it will be. It's kind of sunken in there.
Yeah, it is. It doesn't pop out nearly as much as I thought it would. Just put the extension on that thing.
Let me see. I mean, it'd be retarded though. We'd have to cut the inside of that. You want it like that?
Not really.
Is that too far? Like, we can cut it if you want. You need to get like a bigger tip. You probably want like another,
Like 6 inches.
yeah, 4 or 6 inches if you wanted to. 6 inches to be safe, and then you could slide it in a little bit if it's too much.
Then you make that piping right there just a little bit longer.
All right, well, we're gonna lower this thing, and then we'll show you guys what it sounds like.
Let's hear it.
That's pretty loud.
It's a lot louder.
It's pretty deep. Look at that. Chevy, baby.
That's a lot better.
Should I start mine up and see if, like...
It just drones it out. Yours is still a lot louder.
Tyler, it sounds mean. You hear it now.
Yeah.
You used to not be able to. It's probably hard to hear on camera, but you can definitely hear a little something. Definitely not a stock exhaust.
Ridiculous though.
Yeah.
It's not like your G35.
Yeah. Or my truck is a lot louder than this too, I think.
Louder.
I think if you want it to be louder, just take out that cat.
Fuck.
Hold up, dude. Go around, and I'm gonna get my truck, and we can go to my shop or something and do some revs. You guys saw I had the Titan. We got Tyler's truck. We're gonna do a rev off battle and see which one you guys like better. If you guys haven't seen the video on my Titan, go ahead and watch it. I'll link it up below. But anyways, let's go ahead and get it to the battle. Here is the Titan idle. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. Tyler's truck sounds really good. That's a really good exhaust system by MBRP. If you're looking for an exhaust, I would highly recommend that one. I know you couldn't really hear his exhaust very much in the rev battle because his engine computer wouldn't really let him rev past, I think he said 4,000 RPMs, and it would rev really slowly. He'll need a tune or something to delete that so he can fully rev it out. It wasn't really a fair rev battle. I would say though, if you took out his secondary cat, it would probably sound pretty close to what the Titan sounds. Titan's a little bit more raspier, but I do like the sound of it. It drones a little bit more too, and that is a downside of going catless on your secondary cats. But anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more truck content. There's a lot more to come. We already got more parts coming in. I got a leveling kit. Tyler's going for an intake. I don't know. We'll see where it ends up. Expect a lot more videos coming soon. Anyways, peace out.